Hello everyone, today I will be talking about how you can change RStudio appearance and layout. To do so, you will go to option, and in the options there is global options. From the global option, there are different options. So to change the appearance, click appearance. As you can see, the appearance here is comment with green, variable with black, and values with blue. So if you want change the zoom to 110 or 100%, you can zoom in and zoom out. And if you change the font style, you can just choose whatever font style you want. Just check your style by changing from the options. So for me, I will choose the consolas, and there is the font size. So to make a bit bigger, 14. And here is where you want to change the background into dark blue. So just try cobalt, cloud, chrome, and chaos, ambience. So there are different options. I will go with I'm using the cobalt one, which means dark blue. So this is the way how you change the appearance. Then if you want to change again the layout, which means changing the positions of the source, console, file, and environment. For example, if you want the environment to be on the bottom right side, I will just choose file first, and file is on the top right side and environment is on the bottom right side. If I change the source to the right top side, I will choose files here. So as you see, the source is on the top right side, and I will choose the standard one, which means source on the left top side, console on the bottom left side, and the environment is on the top right side. So here you can change the position as your convenience and as well as the appearance. So if I apply, then everything is changed. As you see, the background is dark blue. So if I open the source here, and the layout is still source on the left upper side, console on the left bottom side, and as well as environment and file. Thank you for watching.